I'm going to be showing you a brand new money making application that's going to pay you out literally just to click on one button. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. Now, before we actually get started with this method, guys, I want to show you this Discord real quick. This is my Discord, and the reason why I'm showing you this is because I haven't uploaded for quite some time, and you can see what I'm doing whenever I'm not uploading videos on YouTube, guys. So I recently just started getting back onto this, and as you can see right here, I'm telling you guys exactly what's happening. So it says I'm here, guys, just been really dedicated on going to the gym and getting back in shape, eating right, meal prep, and just going all in, and I'll be uploading soon. So this is the video that I'm telling you guys about right now. Just the reason being is because I'm actually going back to the gym and I'm trying to get everything situated, everything back in order like I used to in the past. And you can see a previous picture about me right here, guys, and on top of that you can also see this right here. Now this is the reason why I have not done the giveaway yet, because of the network fee, which is $13 right there, guys. So in order to send $5 I have to pay $13 in fees. So I'm just pretty much wasting money right there just because of how volatile Bitcoin is, and I'm telling you guys this inside of the Discord. So if you want to go over to my Discord, make sure to click the first link down in the description of this video so you guys can actually join in on the Discord and start to actually talk with me and talk with everybody inside of the Discord. You can see the names of the people that are just grabbing free cryptocurrency from this every single day. You can see the rules if we scroll down just a tiny bit more. Let's just click on grab real quick, and it's going to grab any sort of cryptocurrency from this actual wheel. So now let's go and see what we have won. So it says, wow, you got 5 types of tokens. So let's go to view rewards real quick, and we're going to see what we have grabbed today. So you can see everything that we have grabbed right here at the top of the actual screen. So everywhere it says 17. So we got Doge, TRX, Janda, 1UP, and RTGS. And the way I actually use this website, guys, is just come in at least once a day and then just let this stack up, and then we either withdraw it or come over here and play some of these games like the Crash, the Will, the Lucky Miner, and you know, just stuff like that, guys, to actually try to earn some more coins from this website itself. So there's multiple methods that you can use inside of this, and I would recommend you guys staying away from any of these kind of like gambling type of sites, just because they're really just out to get your crypto and just make you come to the app and just waste your time in a way. So I just stick to the daily rewards. I let it rack up, and then I withdraw the crypto from here onto a different platform. And this is how I actually use this website, guys. So there's other things you can do inside of here if you're interested in actually using it. It says earn 83% of fee and CC tip swap. So if we click on there, it's going to lead you to like this tip swap, and you can just learn how you can actually earn that percentage and what you need to do in order to actually get started doing this, guys. So that's just something else that you can do on top of that. There's hot exchanges, and it's really simple and easy, guys. You can see my balance is at 0, but I'm actually earning a little bit of crypto slowly but surely. I have withdrawn from this site before, so this is working at the moment, and it's, I mean, you know, just one of those simple, easy to get started money making applications. And if you guys are interested, again, the link's going to be down below, and the giveaway will be happening pretty soon, guys. So I'm going to try my hardest to get the giveaway going, but I'm just trying to figure out how long it's going to take in order for it to actually happen, just because of how volatile cryptocurrency is. And there is one more thing before I actually end this video here. I'm actually making another course, but this is going to be like a cryptocurrency course, just like my YouTube course, guys. So let's go over here to my YouTube course really quick. So this right here is my YouTube course, and I'm going to be making another course about cryptocurrency, on how you can actually make passive income with cryptocurrency, and what I am doing in the back end that most of you guys really don't understand the reason why I'm doing this. But I'm going to go into detail on actually showing you guys how to make money with crypto while you're sleeping, while you're at work, while you're going to school, with everything, guys. So make sure you go to the Discord. Make sure you actually come over here and get started joining in on the Discord and getting updated whenever I actually release this new course showing you passive methods. I'm going to be updating this every single month, guys, on the passive way to make money with cryptocurrency, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm doing in order to earn some cryptocurrency passively and actually go from one platform to the other and just stay consistent on doing this and growing it as time goes on. If you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions, keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.